Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete saved messages on Snapchat. To get started, first you need to open your Snapchat application. Make sure to update it to enjoy the latest features. Then when you reach on the home page of Snapchat, you need to tap on the upper left corner profile icon. When you reach on the profile page of Snapchat, tap on gear icon on upper right corner. When you reach on the settings page, you need to scroll all the way down until and unless you don't reach accounts actions. Under this account actions, you simply need to tap on clear conversation option. So here you can easily view the saved messages on a Snapchat. To delete, you can tap on the cross icon of particular Snapchatter. And to delete the conversation, you can simply tap on clear. So unfortunately, there is no any feature that you can apply to delete all the conversation at once. When you refresh, then you can easily delete the saved messages on your Snapchat. This is how you delete the saved messages on your Snapchat. Hope so you like this video useful. Thanks for watching.